So in this video I will show you how to make a camera slider. Enjoy! Now let's do the schematic. So the schematic is done. Now those are the parts. We need to clean it, paint it, and we're ready for the video. For moving the camera slider, I'm using this 5-volt stepper motor. So we have a problem. The stepper motor is very slow and it's not a strong motor. So the plan B is using a DC motor. All parts are ready, so now we need to put it back. Oh yeah, it looks very smooth. So now we need to glue all the parts with the components glue. So this is the DC motor I'm using. Now, let's go!
The best of you was a no-show, even though I never thought so. I never knew you were with someone new. Memories, scenes and...
After you're done gluing all the parts, now we need more glue to glue it the camera holder and the DC motor.
With someone new. There are things that I can't ignore. Let go, let go. You're not the same as you were before.
Now wait a little bit. We are ready, so let's see if it works. So to run this motor, I'm using this controller. It have backward and forward. It works very perfectly. So now it's time to enjoy the reel. Bye!